flyer, hop in the sky. That's just how I feel when I take a ride. Backward blowing as we run the beat. Tears so dark you can see the seats. LS Swapped Cutlass, I call them Sparrow, that's for sure.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, yes sir, built on a budget, Junior. That's right. Hey man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bell. Hey man, hey, we back to clean this start up, man. Y'all know, man, hey, I gotta put this start on, man. We just about to put them on and try them. But first, we gotta clean it up, man, cause, hey man, that joke got a lot of oil or whatever it is on it. Y'all saw all that black stuff on it. So, hey, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Turn on all post notification bells, man. Stay locked. We about to get into this video. Let's go. Yo, yes sir, back, man. Hey, y'all see the box up here, man. Let's say we about to get the cleaning the starter, right? Hey, let's get to it then. First, before we do that, let's see what's in this box. Alright? Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Y'all see it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Y'all see it. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Yes, sir. And yes, sir. A brochure and super clean sticker. We ain't done yet, y'all. Hey, we ain't done yet. And they hook us up. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Hey, that ain't it. See what else we got. Man, y'all see it? Yes, sir. Military camo snapback. Super clean. Yes, sir, man. Hey, shout out Super Clean, man. Hey, we appreciate it. For real, man. Hey, let's get the cleaning. So first, we're gonna pick whichever product we're gonna use to clean our starter, alright? So, right here we got the all-wheel cleaner, spray bottle. Right here we have some Cleaner and Degreaser. Use it on your engine, tool, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses. Alright? Then we have the can. I believe this may be, I don't want to say, but it might be a foam. It may be foam. But, yeah. Got a can of degreaser. For the same thing, you can use on your engine, your brakes, your grills. You know what I mean? Tools, driveways, outdoor furniture, marine, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many more other cleaning uses. Maybe I should have read y'all this one with the all cleaning or wheel run work for it. Alright. Let's see. Foams away grime and brake dust. So you may only want to use this on your wheels because that's what it says, right? Alright, cool. But yeah, man, they hook us up with a sticker. Shout out Super Clean. And also Super Clean brochure. Alright? Cool. Gives you an outline. Alright, let me see. Oh, we got another paper on the back. I didn't even know that. So you see number 1, original degreaser, 2, foaming trigger, 3, all-wheel cleaner, 4, aerosol can, and 5 is a floor absorbent. Alright? Then on the back, it tells you the uses and where you can use it at and stuff like that. Break down the strengths and you know what I mean, how it's broken down: indoor, outdoor, auto, RV, and marine. All right, and man, make sure y'all tap in with Super Clean. Yes, sir. We appreciate the Super Clean. Recommend throwing at our lowest concentration. All right, it say they recommend that you start out with the lowest concentration as outlined in the dilution chart. So that was the dilution chart that I just showed. All right. Yeah. All right, man. Yeah. Hey, shout out Super Clean. We appreciate the merch and the degreaser products, man. About to put them to use and see if it work right now. Yes, sir. We appreciate you. Shout out Super Clean. Hey, man. Let's get to it. Let go. Alright, y'all. Back. So, I decided to use the can. So, I'm gonna see if this is a foam first. Let me see. Let me see if it's a foam. I think it may be. I'm gonna use it on a piece of cardboard. We gonna see. Okay, so yeah, it's a foam. Alright, bet. You know that. You know it's a foam, right? So we're gonna use this right here. Alright. Man, hold up. Something man right, bro. Something man right. Hold up, I'll be back. Alright. Now we talking. Let's get it, y'all. Shout out to Super Clean, man. Shout out to Super Clean, man, for the merch too. Yes, sir. Hey, let's get it. So, you're gonna read the directions on the back of the can, of course. So you wanna avoid damaging surfaces. So always do a pre-test on an inconspicuous area for surface integrity and to check if the color is affected. All right, so you're gonna make sure the surface is cool as possible. Then you wanna cover it with it, allowing time for the grease to dissolve. Well, for this to dissolve the grease. All right, and then depending on how you're using it, you always want to wear gloves and eye protection. All right. So important: avoid prolonged contact with motorcycles, aluminum, untreated glass, and painted surfaces. All right. So I'm not gonna spray it on here, right? I ain't gonna just spray it on there. So I got me a rag. Y'all see my rag. I got it dampened. Matter of fact, I'm gonna spray it on here. I'm just not gonna leave it on here. That's what I'm gonna do. But before I do that, I'm gonna take my wire brush and help it out a little bit. You know what I mean? Cause I can't leave it on there. So I'm gonna help it out a little bit, just to get a little bit off. And then I don't want the marks right there to come off, just in case I gotta take it back to the junkyard. You know what I mean? So I don't want it to eat up too much stuff. But so we just gonna help it out with the wire brush a little bit, just like this right here. Alright? Cut y'all back on. Alright. Word. So y'all see we got some of the dust knocked off of it. Just knocked some on it off. I just don't want to have that. Cause you know you can't, I ain't wet and start. I don't know if you can or not, but I ain't. I never thought about it before. But, alright. We got that knocked off a little bit. Now we got to knock this stuff right here off. Lord have mercy. Hold on, y'all. We coming. I didn't think about knocking this stuff off. Or I'm gonna just flip it. Alright. So word. I'm gonna just. Now we got our Super Clean. We got it. I'm gonna just hit it a little bit, man. I ain't gonna leave it sitting on there too long. You know what I mean? Just help me out a little bit. I I ain't putting nothing down in me now. I ain't putting nothing down in the bendix. I ain't gonna get nothing down in it. Know what I mean? Alright. Super clean. Y'all might want to wear a mask too, depending on where you are. Let's wipe this stuff off, y'all. Depending on where you working at. Y'all know it's strong. It's a degreaser. See, I got my gloves on. Sir. I ain't gonna clean them up too much, y'all. I just wanna, you know, clean them up a little enough, cause it is really messy for real. You can't even touch this starter without getting the oil and stuff on your hand. You know what I mean? And like I said, I don't want these junkyard marks to come off, just in case we got to go back to the store. You know what I mean? Hey man, I think that look good. That degreaser sure work. For real. So imagine if I had really put it on there and let it sit. If I had put it on there and let it sit, man, it probably would have had look like a brand new starter. But look at this. That joker clean. Look at this. That joker done came clean for real. And I ain't doing nothing but wiping it. Not even really using it like, well, as directed. And the reason why I'm doing it like that is because, man, the starter's aluminum. You don't want that. And it said don't use it on aluminum. At least a prolonged, say a long prolonged contact. So that's why I got my wet rag right here. Yes sir. I'm gonna hit him up a little bit. Then might hit Unc up, come put it back on for me. You know what I mean? So we can bless Unc. You know what I mean? Put Unc to work. Shoot. Put him to work. Give him something to do. What y'all think? Yes sir. Alright, y'all. That joker clean. That joker most look like it come out the box, innit? Look at it. Yeah, boy. Shout out, super clean. Got the starter super clean. Yes, sir. Can't complain about this. That's all. Hey, man. Super clean. Y'all see it. Hey, we appreciate this. Look how clean this starter came. I could do better. I could do better. But, matter of fact, let me show y'all. Alright, let's get this right here clean. We're gonna let that sit for a little while. Not too long. But I'm gonna take my brush. I'm gonna help it out like I said the first time. We can't have it sitting. Let's see if we can get it clean. Alright. Now we almost done. Alright. Let's wipe it off and see how clean we got it. Man, look at that, y'all. Super clean for the win. Super clean for the win. Man, y'all see that? Yes, sir. Super clean for the win, man. Hey, superclean.com. Yes, sir. I think that's the website. Y'all know how to use Google. Google and get you some super clean. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. And I'm the only person on YouTube that done use super clean. Y'all see, I did this the first time I ever used it. Like for real. Yes, sir. Super Clean hooked us up, y'all. Yes, sir. Now y'all see that? The only, yup, that's the only spot I did now. But y'all see it. Besides the rest that I did in the video earlier. But yeah, man. Y'all saw how that spot had looked before I had shined them up. Shout out Super Clean, Super Clean. We appreciate you. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notification bells. Hey, man, I'm about to hit Uncle up, man, and see if we can get this starter put back on, man. Hey, to the next one. Let's go.